Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you're returning, welcome back. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. One of my favorite ways to source for my inventory is to go online and purchase from liquidation companies. So today I'm going to unbox for us. This is from Boutique by the Box, the Madewell and J. Crew men's new with tag and returns box. So if you want to see what they sent me, definitely stick around. So I ordered the women's dresses and denim. I forget. I'll link the video down below. I ordered the women's version of Boutique by the Box's Madewell and J. Crew box. And there were some flaws in it, like because they were returns and stuff that I didn't love. But I wanted to give the men's box a try. Boutique by the Box had a few different varieties of the Madewell and J. Crew boxes, their PREPPY brands box, if you will. There was a shirts and tops box, a dresses and denim box, a kids box, and then there was the men's box. I did already unbox the dresses. I think it was dresses and denim or dresses and I don't remember. I'll put it down below. It's the most recent one I did. But this one is men's, and I paid, so it was listed on the site $220 for 20 pieces, and they were running some kind of sale. So I got it for $165 for 20 pieces. If you want to order from Boutique by the Box, I don't know, I think the last time I looked at this box, it was sold out, but this one has come in and out of stock lately, along with the other Madewell boxes that may be available right now. I do have an affiliate code you can use. They're linked down below. There's two of them. If you have never used my code before, you can use the code OHYEAH for 10% off your order. If you've already used that OHYEAH code before in the past, you can use code OHYEAH5. You can take 5% off your order if you want to order this one or any of the other boxes on the site. Now, I think the last time I checked, this one was sold out, but you can put your email in and it will notify you when it's available. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I haven't opened it. I haven't seen what's in here. If you like reseller content, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Whenever I get a new box in, I come on here, I open it. That way we can see together what's in it. I'll give my initial opinion, and then I come back 90 days later after I've had a chance to sell everything. And I let you know what actually sold and if I would buy another one. So definitely check out my other videos if you're interested in that kind of content. And take a second, if you would, and just hit that like button. That really helps out my channel a lot as well. All right, so we are in. Got some tissue paper on the top here. It is indeed a 20-piece box because I didn't write it down before, but it was checked. This is the quality control card that Boutique by the Box puts in their boxes. So, all right, this is what I see on the top here. They are just kind of folded up nicely in here. Now, if there are 20 pieces, that puts this at $8.25 per piece. And I wanted to make sure to point that out because I can tell you right now, this top right here, not only is this a plain t-shirt, but I can't and I won't sell it because they marked out the Madewell logo and it bled through the back. So I probably will not try to sell this just because of those two factors. Hopefully there are some more substantial pieces in here that are not marked out like that. Okay, so here's a button-down shirt. It's an easy fit. And I do expect that they're going to be marked, like the tags are going to be marked through. That prevents store returns. That's okay. I should still be able to sell them just fine. This one looks good. Size medium. All right, this is the all-day tee. Size large. This one does not have the mark through, which is great. But it is a basic t-shirt. So at $8.25, with mystery boxes, you do expect that that's an average cost per piece. Some of the pieces in the box are going to be more substantial, and then some of the less substantial ones, I'll list that still. I might get 10 or 15 for it. After fees, I may break even. It's kind of how this goes. This is a J. Crew factory slim fit performance button down. It is a size small, and it is J. Crew factory, not J. Crew. So hard size to sell, and probably didn't retail for very much. This is a slub cotton polo from J. Crew factory. $59.50 regular price, but in the factory stores, there's usually on sale. So this one does have a mark through, but you can't really, like on the back, I mean, it's a little bit, but you can't see it the way you can on the white one. So I probably would still sell that one. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. I just set it down and actually noticed that there's some major discoloration there. So I can't sell that one. Okay, moving on. Here's another basic t-shirt. J. Crew factory, marked all the way through. Yeah. I doubt I would be able to sell that too. That's a bummer. Moving on. So we have some like jogger shorts. These are J. Crew. Regular J. Crew, not J. Crew factory. How old are these? Summer 23. Okay, so they're from this past season. Size medium. All right, those are good. Not the right season, but that's okay. J. Crew factory 100% cotton sweater. Size extra large. That's a nice piece. I probably can get 30 to 40 for that one. The retail tag said about 80, $79.50. These are Madewell shorts, size small. Madewell is pretty easy to sell, and maybe J. Crew is too, but Madewell specifically I like because the style name is on the tag right there. It makes it so easy for me to find and get the descriptions and all that. So, all right, we have a pair of overalls. Fantastic. Do men wear overalls? I mean, I guess so. White overalls? All right, let's take a look at these. Let's take a look at these together. They're white, so I'm nervous already. So these are cargo overalls. I don't see any issues. They look good. Nope, there's all the dirt. The good news is, though, that should come out with a Tide pen. Can you see? There. Yeah, there's some dirt on there. What size are these? Size medium. Okay, and they do have the style name and everything on them, so fingers crossed I can get that dirt out. It shouldn't be too bad. Okay, these are 11-inch inseam shorts, J. Crew factory. J. Crew and J. Crew factory are not the same thing. J. Crew factory is the economically priced version of J. Crew. The stuff does not retail nearly as high, so I am a little bit disappointed that all the stuff in this box is J. Crew factory, and I have to go back and look at this description. I'll put it here. Here's more J. Crew factory t-shirt. This is the Broken In Oxford, size small. This one's actual J. Crew. Yeah. But it's a size small, so I don't know. Here's another t-shirt, Madewell, the all-day pocket tee, size small. No tag, line through the name. All-day tee, size medium. And this one's got some tape on it, which usually indicates a flaw. This one has some pretty substantial color It's not even. I can't sell that. And this is the Easy Fit shirt, size extra large. Assuming there's no flaws in this one's going to be the most substantial, this and the overalls, but it is flawed. There's some staining right there, so hopefully I can get that out too. That's a bummer. White t-shirt, J. Crew Factory. These probably sold for like $10 in the store. That's really disappointing. But you know what? It may all even out. It may all even out. Oh, and this one has tape on it, so it has a stain. Okay, it's a very, very, very small little dot. You can see right there. I might be able to get that out too. This is an Easy Fit shirt, size medium. This is Madewell. J. Crew Factory. These are like Flex Slim khakis, size 28 by 32. That's a hard size to sell, 28 by 32. But as long as they're not flawed, I will get them listed. And the last thing in the box, these look like jeans, 34 by 32. What are they? I'm not sure what the style is. I'll have to look them up with the style number. It doesn't say. That's a bummer. Okay, well. I don't see any tape on them. I don't see any stains. Oh, here's some tape. Yeah, there's a little bit of tape. That's not too bad. Maybe just a little bit of discoloration right there. Honestly, if you take the tape off, you can't even notice it. I'll leave it just in case, but okay, let's just double check and make sure we have 20 items here. All right, so there are indeed 20 pieces here, so right exactly as expected. My initial opinion here, you know, I don't love it. I wanted to like this box. I wanted this box to be better than the women's box. It's just, it's meant like, it's not exciting. It's not terrible, but it's not exciting, at least for me. You can let me know in the comments what you think, but is it worth $8.25 a piece? Some of the pieces are, but most of them are not. There are way too many t-shirts and basic items in here. And there are a couple that are just not sellable, and $8.25 a piece, for me to have to like take things out completely because I can't sell them, that's really a bummer. Honestly, what I would like to see Boutique by the Box do with inventory like this, separate out the basic t-shirts. Because if it were all jeans or shorts or sweaters or even the button-down shirts, then I would say $8.25 per piece would be fair. But it's these t-shirts in here that really throw that off, and especially the ones that have marker through them so bad that I wouldn't even feel comfortable selling, or the ones that have that color bleed or that inconsistency that I probably will keep for myself to wear around the house when I'm feeding my kid, let's be honest, because I won't ruin my own clothes that way. But if they wanted to take the t-shirts and stuff like that and sell those at $2 to $3 per piece, I know it's not a lot, but at least somebody who bought that would pay for what those items are worth and then know what they're getting, right? Instead of expecting J. Crew and Madewell that's worth $8.25 a piece and getting this kind of mix. I think that just for me, like that would make more sense to me. And maybe if they did that, I would buy another one, but I gotta get it listed. I have to really just let it do what it's going to do and see if I can actually make some money. So My initial impression is not always correct. I've seen it before where I open a box, I'm not super excited about it, and then it does phenomenal. So I'm going to get to work. I'm going to get this stuff listed. Certainly subscribe if you want to see the 90-day update. I will come back 90 days later, whatever the results are, good, bad, ugly, you'll know. I will let you know how it goes. Definitely hit that like button if you're still here. That really, really helps out my channel a lot, and it lets me know that you like content like this. So that's super helpful to me. But otherwise, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I will catch you in the next one.